Jonathan, what do you think about AI, and do you teach about it? No, we don't talk about artificial intelligence, but I am going to do something on the Black Financial Channel, which is one of our, we have a daily financial news channel everyone should subscribe to called theblackfinancialchannel.com. It's growing very, very fast, getting about 8 to 10,000 subscribers a month. And it's important because we need a Bloomberg sort of platform for Black people where we can break down daily financial news from a Black perspective. And one of the things I was going to cover actually is I saw an article stating like the top 10 jobs that are going to disappear in the next 5 or 6 years. Automation, AI is going to be huge. Uber is one company, for example, that I invested heavily in because Uber is a company that's bleeding money like crazy and it's being punished by the market because of that. And also the stock price took a big dip because all the insiders started exiting after what they call the lockup period was over. So when they were allowed to sell their shares, they started dumping their stock. And so what happened then was the stock price started to plummet. I bought the stock because I believe that what Uber is going to do, I believe their long-term play, besides layoffs and everything else, is going to be automation. I think that in the next maybe less than a decade, your Ubers won't have people in them. They're going to be robots. You're going to just get picked up by, a robotic car, and they're going to take you to your destination. And that's going to be one of the ways I believe that they're going to solve their labor problems right now, because basically, in different cities, the labor unions are complaining because they don't feel like Uber drivers are making enough money. So I do think that automation, AI, all that stuff is really, really important as part of the future. If you want your child to be really wealthy, I would encourage you to have your child learn two key things. I have a stepson who's going to be a millionaire. I already know he's going to be a millionaire because he's going to master two things: technology and business. Technology and business. He's going to be a Black Elon Musk. He might not be a billionaire, but he'll be worth at least a couple $1 million. And so if you want your kids to be rich, teach them technology and business.